All right, you guys, so I'm here at Planet Hollywood here in Las Vegas, and I've seen a lot of people do this thing that they call the $20 trick. So at check-in, it's just pretty much you slip the people at the front desk kind of your ID, your credit card, and then you give them like $20, and then you just kind of let them know that you're trying to see about this upgrade or see about this $20 trick thing that works. So I have a double room booked, ultra hip room, and so it's $30 to check in early. Actually, just by mentioning that to the guy, he actually waived the fee for us to check in early, as well as he upgraded our room to a high floor. We're on the 23rd floor now, room 2338, and he waived a lot of fees for us. So we're gonna see if this room is really worth it or not. So let's check it out. Okay, so just entering in the room here, let's check out the bathroom here. So as soon as you enter the room, you have the bathroom is right here on the left. You see the bathroom door. It's two doors here. It does have that hook right there on the door. You can close this door here. It does have that little crack right here, so folks can see through there if they're walking past. But let's take a look inside the bathroom. And this is one of the things that I thought was really cool about this room, is that it has the double sinks or mirrors, you know, right there. So you can have, if you got more than one person in here, each person can kind of have, well, if it's two people, you know, each person can have their own sink and area. So let's scan to the other side and look over here, you guys. Boom, another sink. Check that out, two sinks. So, and then right here, let's see, we got the shower, walk-in shower here. Let's see. So let's check out that shower head. Got the shower. Guess, you know, if somebody needs to take a seat up in there, they got the little area right there. And then this right here, don't know if I use this or not, but as you can see, it does have a tub here. I don't know if it has any jets in this tub at all. Let's take a look down in here. I don't see any jets or anything, but I guess if you want to relax, take a nice bath or something, you do have the nice bath, as well as they have this, I guess, really cool artwork throughout the room. And then one thing I guess that's good about this bathroom as well is that you do have a private area for the toilet area. So if somebody is actually using the toilet, you know, they can just close this door and people can still come in and use the sinks to wash their hands. So this is the bathroom area. Let's see, we gotta find out about some lights around here. Let me see where the lights are. Okay, there's the light. Let there be light. Okay, so that turned on some lights for us here. I don't know, I was showing you guys stuff in the dark, but all right. So that gave us a little more light. But then here's your toilet area. And here, it's not that big of a space, but it is a private area. Like I said, you can close this door and have privacy, and people can still use the restroom. And so as you walk out the bathroom area, you're greeted with this nice artwork right here, picture. All right, then you have this area here, this closet area that I'm assuming has pretty much the stuff that you need there. So it does have hangers. You got your ironing board. You got your iron, a shelf right there up top. And then down below here, you have a drawer as well as a safe. And then right here is where you get, I guess, your full length mirror. So if you're trying to check yourself out and see what your drip is looking like, you know, you can use the mirror right here. It's always good to have a nice full length mirror when you're traveling. and getting yourself together. Then let's look at this room area here. So this might be bigger than what we were supposed to have before. So check it out, y'all. This is nice, spacious desk area, work area over here. And let's see, do we have I don't know if we got a refrigerator. Okay, you guys, so we do actually have a refrigerator. Normally I don't talk on my hotel tour videos, but this time I just said, let me go ahead, what the heck, I'll talk. So we do got a refrigerator here. Got the light, one USB plug right there. And y'all, the view is man, the view is a good view. So here you go, got the nice flat screen TV. Table area over there, and then got nice spacious area right here. So nice and spacious. Let's see, got the radio up. Okay, let's see, got the radio clock, phone. Yeah, we got the $500,000 in the safe over there. Then you come out here to the room and you got the artwork. Now, you guys, what we want to turn around and take a look at is this view. So check out this view. Look at this. And this is just one window here. Look what we can see right here. We get a view of the Bellagio water show, you guys. Look at this view. We can see the Eiffel Tower right there at the Paris Hotel. We got a nice view of that. Straight shot to see the Mirage. We can see Caesar's Palace. We can even look at the Rio all the way back there. Or Rio all the way back there. We got the Cosmopolitan right across the street back there with the Jockey Club in back. And we can see over there in the Cosmo Pools. And then look down below, Planet Hollywood. We can look right down and look at the pool area, you guys. Look at this. This is such a great view. And we can see Las Vegas Boulevard. Look at that. We can see all that right here from the window. And we're on the 23rd floor, so there's still some floors a little higher up. Now, I did see on YouTube some people doing this $20 trick, and they're getting like rooms that look like penthouse suites. I didn't get that option, but I guess we just got a nice view. And then coming from the Midwest, it's nice to be able to see the nice mountains in the distance. And let's see, does this, so that's pretty much it, you guys. All right, while you're here, hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel. Hit the like button. Leave me a comment down below. Have you ever tried to do the $20 trick here in Las Vegas? Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of this view. This view is amazing. Share this video with your friends and family so they can do that $20 trick as well. All right, until next time. Peace.